Hi children, welcome to the second part of constructions. In the previous class, we have done three problems of this chapter. Now, we will see more problems and we'll try to find solution to those problems. So the next problem is the fourth problem from the exercise, and the problem says draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at angle 60 degree. So first children, we need to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So let us take measure of 5 centimeter and draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Fine. So here what is he saying? You have to draw a tangent to the circle from an external point which is what? Which when the pair of tangents means they make an angle of 60 degree, right? So the rough way of doing the problem is you need to draw a circle. Fine, you need to draw a circle, right? So the circle has a center, so here also we have a center of the circle, so you can take it as O. So obviously there are, we have to consider 2 points on the circle. So if we draw that and imagine this is the external point, we can take this as P. So when you draw a tangent to this, right, so this is O, then we can take Q and R, right? So we know that these angles are how much, right? These angles are 90 degree and this he has given already 60 degree. So what will be the value of this angle, children? Same number. Now we can see QPRO is a what? A quadrilateral. So sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral, how much it will come? 360 degree. Fine. So Q is 90 degree, P is 60 degree, R is how much? Again 90 degree. So how much total? 90 plus 60 plus 90. So this will come to somewhere around 180 plus 60, 240, right? This is 240 degree. So if you subtract 360 minus 240, we are left with how much? 120. So this angle will be 120, children, because sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 120. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So as we know, three angles, one angle was missing, so we found it out. So let us try to construct it. So what we need to do for that is we have to mark a point here somewhere of your choice. So let us consider this point. Let us join them. This will be the radius. Now how to construct a 120 degree angle? Right, again make use of this. Draw an arc of your choice. Without changing the distance, mark this another point and keeping on the same point. Mark another. Okay, so now this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Draw a line through that. Fine, so let us name them. Q. Fine, so this will be how much? 120 degree. Now we know that tangent from an external point of the circle to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. So now we have to draw a perpendicular at point P. So how can we do that? Again, we have to bisect an angle of 90 degrees. So let us do that. Let us take a smaller value, right? So let us take it without changing. Again, keep on the line. So this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. Now children, this is important. So this will be the 90 degree angle. So take that, draw a line. The same way at point Q, you go and find the angle 90 degree. So now let us join this. Children, so we got our line and we got our intersection point also. Right, so let us take this as R. So this will be how much, children? This will be 60 degree, because as these are 90 degree angle. So this is how you have to find the solution for the fourth problem. Now let us move on to the fifth problem. The fifth problem says, draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as the center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of other circles. Right? So let us solve this problem. So let us first draw. Right? So let us first draw a line that measures 8 cm. Fine. So let us take them as A and B. Now from one point we have to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. So let us take it at, let us measure a 4 cm on the scale and draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Okay, then from the other point B we have to draw another circle of radius 3 cm, children. Okay. Now, so there are two circles at each point. So one is 4 cm, another one is 3 cm. Now, what we have to do, we have to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So, Imagine now, see, not we have two circles at 2 points. So to circle with the point center B, we have to draw tangent from point A, right? And the circle with center A, we have to draw tangent from point B. So for this, what we need to do? We need to perpendicularly bisect AB first, line AB. We have to make up. We have to take. Let us find the center of this. So let us take this as O. Now let us draw a circle by keeping O as the center and taking a distance. Now children, let us mark the points wherever the circle is touching the two circles. So for A, these are the 2 points. So let us join them. And for B, let us name them first. So let us take this as PQ. And for B children, these are the 2 points where it is touching. So let us join them. So let us take this as R and S. So this completes our problem. We have drawn two circles of radius 4 centimeter, right? Radius 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then from the centers of each circle, we have drawn tangents to the other circles. So this completes your fifth problem. Now let us go to the next problem. The problem says draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So here, as you can see, I have taken a bangle. Right. So let me draw a circle inside that bangle. Okay children, so I have drawn a circle using the bangle. So now what we have to find, we have to take a point outside the circle. Right, so let me take some point here. Fine, so let us take this as P, point P. Construct a pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So the problem that I'll face here is, if I was knowing the center of this circle, I would have joined P and O, then I would have taken the perpendicular bisector to find the center of PO, and then I would have drawn a circle and I could have got the points where I could have drawn the tangents. But here I don't know the center of the circle. So for that, first what I have to do, I have to first find the center of the circle. So that can be done by doing this. Let us mark 3 points on the circle. Fine. So let us join them. Now we need to bisect these lines. So let us name those lines A, B and C. We have to bisect these lines, children, now. So always remember, take the length more than half of the any given line. Right, so now let us join this and take the line little bit more lengthier than required so that they can coincide when we draw. So let us bisect the line AB now. Fine, so we got the center now. So let us take this as O. So this is how you have to find the center of a circle when you don't know it. Now join this point PO. Right, so now I think you all know what to do. We have to bisect this line PO. Join them. Right, we get the center of the line PO. Now taking M as the center and taking this distance, draw a circle. Okay, so find out where it is touching this circle, somewhere here and here. Now children, we have to join these points. And mark them as Q and R. So this completes our problem, children. So what the problem was, so we need to construct a circle by using the help of a bangle, and we have to put an external point. From there we have to construct tangent to a given circle. So this completes the problems in the exercise. Hope you understood all the problems. So practice them, you'll remember them nicely. So thank you for watching the video, children. Take care. Bye.